Now, moving on to some properties. Okay, I'm not going in the same order as it is from the book. Okay, or jumbled up for you to understand the concept. Now, properties of conditional probability. In a property, let E and F be evens of the sample space S. Then we have probability of S given F equals probability of F given F. Correct? Why? Probability of S given F is going to be probability of S intersection F divided by probability of F. Now, for example, I have my sample space. So this is going to be my sample space and I have some function F. So this is my F and this is my sample space. So S intersection F is another. It is going to be this particular part. This is the only intersection. Correct? So S intersection F is nothing but probability of F intersection F. P divided by F, which is going to be probability of F divided by probability of F, which is 1. This is simple proof. Sample space ko ulla irukra oru element ko enna common intersection ah irukku podhu the element itself. Correct? So we have proved this. Now what is the second property? A and B are two events of the sample space. F is an event such that P of F is not equal to 0. So we can take it as A and B. So A and B going to be inside my sample space. So this we usually enna formula use பண்ணுவோம். You know that n of A union B equals n of A, number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus we subtract the intersection. Do you remember? Because enna agum indha edathila I am going to n of A. So already intersection part cover ஆயிடுது. So this is going to be my A intersection B, already cover ஆயிடுச்சு. Then n of B. So this part I see that the A intersection B is getting added twice. So அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இந்த பார்ட்டை திரும்ப subtract பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? So I'm subtracting. So same thing applies for probability. So probability எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So இது general probability. இப்போ நமக்கு given conditional probability பார்க்கணும்ல? So same thing. So probability of A union B given F equals probability of A given F plus probability of B given F. And the given F மட்டும் add பண்ண வேண்டியதுதான். Minus probability of A intersection B given F. Okay? Simple. இது second property. இப்போ third property என்ன? Probability of E dash given F. So now I have a sample space S and I have the event happening inside the sample space which is E. Okay? So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? E na இங்க இருக்கிற இது எல்லாமே E dash. Correct? Whatever is outside E is going to be my E dash. So how do I usually represent? I'll have E dash is S minus E. Sample space minus E. இது மாதிரி பண்ணுவோமா? இப்போ probability na எப்படி பண்ணுவோம்? Probability of E dash equals 1 minus probability of E. You remember this? Probability of the event plus the probability of complementary of the event gives me probability of 1. Probability values it varies from 0 to 1. Correct? It cannot go beyond that or it cannot go below that. So in the property which now I'm going to use the conditional probability. So probability of E dash given F இதே form தான். இதுல given F conditional probability போட போறேன். So this is going to be 1 minus probability of E given F. அவ்வளவுதான். Simple. மூணு properties. Okay? So these are the three properties. Please copy. Now example 3. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10 are placed in a box, mixed up thoroughly, and then one card is drawn randomly. If it is known that, first என்ன எழுதலாம்? Sample space எழுதலாம். So sample space என்ன? 10 card இருக்கு. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. புரிஞ்சுதா? Now, if it is known that the number on the drawn card is more than 3, அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? If it is given that or if it is known that அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறான்னா அதுதான் நம்மளோட keyword. So இது வந்து given. So this is going to be the given thing. So அதை நான் B எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So I'm going to take B to be. It is known that the number on the drawn card is more than 3. அப்ப என்னென்னலாம் வரும்? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. இதெல்லாம் வருமா? More than 3 na 3 included கிடையாது. Then what is the probability that it is an even number? So இதோட probability தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So A ஓட probability என்ன? So if the given number is an even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I need to find the probability of A given B. Even number ஓட probability என்ன? Given that already an event has happened which is all the numbers are greater than 3. So this is going to be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So first A intersection B and I'll write it here. What are the intersections? It is going to be 4, 6, 8, 10. So probability of A intersection B is going to be sample space. The number of elements in the sample space is 10. Number of elements in B is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And number of elements in A intersection B is going to be 4. So probability எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 4 divided by 10. The whole divided by 7 divided by 10. So I can write this as 4 by 10 times 10 by 7. So I can cancel the 10 and the 10. I'll be left with 4 divided by 7. The two cancel item. So this is going to be my probability. Okay, simple. Please copy. Example 4. In a school, there are 1000 students, out of which 430 are girls. It is known that out of the 430, 10% girls study in class 12. So first என்ன கொடுக்கலாம்? First எது sample space? We'll just write down the information we have. So total 1000. Girls 430. Class 12 girls எத்தனை? Class 12 girls is going to be 10% of the girls. 10% of the girls na 10 by 100 into 430, which is going to be, when I cancel, I'll be left with 43. So 43 girls irukanga 12th standard la. What is the probability that a student is chosen randomly from class 12? So ipo A event is going to be girls chosen from class 12, which is going to be 43. Given that the chosen student is a girl, appo given enadhu chosen student is a girl na, it is going to be 430. புரிஞ்சுதா? Event A o event B o என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? You have to understand what is the probability that the student chosen randomly studies in class 12. Class 12 is going to be my event A, and given that chosen student is a girl, is going to be girl எத்தனை இருக்கு? 430. Clear? A and B என்னன்னு எழுதியாச்சு. Now I need to find the probability of A given B, which is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. இப்போ probability of A intersection B என்ன? This is girls from class 12. This is the whole girls in the school. அப்போ intersection என்ன? Girls from class 12. So this is going to be 43 divided by total number of students என்ன? It is going to be 1000. அதுதான் நம்ம sample space. So this is going to be A intersection B oda probability. Now probability of B enna? It's going to be total number of girls oda probability. So this is 430 divided by 1000. Okay. So probability of A given B is 43 divided by 1000 divided by 430 divided by 1000. So this is 43 divided by 1000 into 1000 divided by 430. So இது எப்படி simplify பண்ணலாம்? இது cancel ஆயிடும். 43 10 times. So what will I be left with? This is 1 divided by 10. This is my final answer. புரிஞ்சுதா? Clear? First என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் event A என்ன, event B என்ன, அதோட probability என்ன, அதோட intersection என்ன, இவ்வளவுதான். Okay? Simple.